guys, so I'm gonna do a little scooter edit. Yeah, 'cause I'm just riding in the garage right now because it's nighttime and I'm like addicted to this stuff, so I should maybe get the camera angle a little bit different. I'm gonna do like an edit. Just gonna do a bunch of stuff in my garage. So first, let's do a trick I call rock crawler. I don't know what the real name is. It always happens when I do manuals. Let's, I don't know. So I'll do, I can't do much. Let's see how I can run it. I don't know how long, so I'll have to take a look at the footage once I'm done. Another rock crawler. That's what I call it. I don't know the real name for that trick. Don't shoot your blocks, and it's not even really a trick. I don't know. But yeah. All I just do now is go over there, do 90, and I'll do a rock crawler out. Maybe that's today, me and Dick took the block sometime. Jump it off my grandma's garage thing, or off the porch. I'm too scared to jump off the porch, but out of a garage, which isn't very high. I guess I'll do that sometime. I'll just do another attempt. Alright, go 90, and the rock crawler out. Okay, so that was good. Just got a 20% battery thing up. Just gonna take a drink of my Diet Mountain Dew right now. I don't know why, guys, but I always drink a lot of soda. Try the 90 rock crawl ones one more time. Hopefully that was good. What do I want to do now? Let's do some J-hops. Some J-hops that I suck at. I'll pull this line here. I can't really do that very good. Sweatshirt strings are hanging out. Okay. I guess I'll end the video off with my first attempt at a 180. Yeah, doing it for one time. Okay. That was worse than my 90 here. Try it one more time. I'm sure I'll have the 180 down pretty soon now. Victor Box just trying to learn a 360. Whoa! Oh, ow, my knee hurts. Oh. Okay. So that's it for a scooter edit. I'll probably upload this like, I don't know, sometime. On my new upload schedule. Hopefully, I'll do my vlog tomorrow, and I'll do a Minecraft video on Sunday. I haven't done one of those in a while, so yeah, I'll probably see you guys later. I'm gonna ride some more. Whoa!